All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you my model and how I can solve a multi-step number story. This should look familiar because this is a problem that we had on Evaluate. Okay, so I'm going to follow these steps, and then next time you take Evaluate, hopefully you'll do a little bit better on this. Now, I'm going to let you know this is really tricky. This is definitely one of the hardest ones, okay, on Evaluate. So one thing I need to do, though, is I need to draw a visualization of the story. So these are the same steps we did last time we solved number stories, okay? So I need to draw what's happening here. So it says Wendy went bowling. The bowling alley rents bowling shoes and bowling lanes by the hour. Okay, so I don't really have anything like numbers to write, but I know that there's this person, Wendy, and I know she's bowling, and that maybe she's going to get shoes and a lane. Okay, so I don't really have anything to draw yet, so let me keep going. At the end of the night, she spent $15 to rent the bowling lane, an additional $6 to rent the bowling shoes. Okay, so here we go. So she spent $15 for the lane and $6 for the shoes. So I'm going to go ahead. This is something I can draw now. So here's the lane for bowling. Okay, and I'm going to have like the bowling pins over here, right? And then this is Wendy standing here, ready, okay, to bowl with her big bowling ball. Okay, so here's Wendy. So this lane, it says, is $15. So I'm going to label that. Okay, but she also had to get the shoes. So I'm going to draw her pairs of shoes. Little shoelaces, little soles. Okay, and the shoes were $6. Okay, so I've got $15 and $6. Okay, so now it says if Wendy bowled for 3 hours, how many dollars did she spend each hour? Ooh, okay, so this has a lot of steps. I'm going to change my color. So here is my thinking for this first part, all right? So this is the end of the night. This is what she spent for all the things she did. But she did this for 3 hours. So how much money total she spent? Well, it says 15 and 6. So I drew my visualization. Now I need to find my first number model. Well, it says and I know that she's doing this and this, and so she had to pay money. So I'm thinking that means she added because she had to spend 15 for that one and $6 for that one. So 15 plus 6 equals, okay, well, 5 plus 6 is 11. I'm going to write this up and down. I think that'll be better. I don't want to make a mistake because I know if I miss this first one, I'll probably miss the second one. Okay, so 15 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so it looks like she spent $21 total. I'm going to write that down so I don't forget. But she bowled for 3 hours. So this isn't just 1 hour because this was the total. It says at the end of the night, this is what she spent. So I'm not going to add 21 plus 21 plus 21 because then that would be more than $21, and $21 is my big number. So I think what I have to do is I have to divide, here's 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and I have to divide 21 and figure out how much money was each hour. So this is hour 1, hour 2, and hour 3. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, perfect. 21. All right, so let's count. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, do I have the same here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Okay, so this looks like I just divided 21 divided by 3 because I had 3 hours, and that equaled $7 because 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 21. Okay, that makes sense. So how much did she spend each hour? She spent $7 each hour, and then that equaled 21. Okay, perfect. All right, so see how I had to write my second number story, and then I had to write this with my unit of dollars. Okay, so you guys are now going to try this. Okay, here, this is in your book on page 162. Okay, you're using the same criteria, but I have it here for you. So I want you to think about these problems, write down your two number models, and what would your answer be? Okay, so these are all in your book. Okay, and then I want you to show me you could do this. And this is a problem that, again, was on evaluate. So this is going to be very similar to what I just did in my model, but it's different numbers and it could be different operations. So you could add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Look for those clue words to help you. And then think now, how confident do you feel? Has it changed? Is it different? And if you need some extra practice, here are some things on Excel. Here are some games on Everyday Math, and then an extension to try your thinking if you'd like to try that. All right, good luck, guys. Let me know if you have any questions.